Little White Show,
Yeah.
representing 727.
Ride the Bondfire, baby.
Ride the Bondfire,
Yeah,
King Kong and them.
Hey, how y'all feeling tonight? My name is King Kong and I'm here to fuck some shit up. That song is called Dancing in the Rain. It doesn't matter what you go through, the glass don't have full. So let's take it first. This shit always gets better. Can't call me around the Bondfire. Thank you for fucking with us. Ryan Dutton on the drums. DJ Slim Pickens scratching it up. Thank you, Big Cat, for putting us out tonight. Dutch Dirty.